What's going on, everybody? It's Dylan from Redline here, bringing you yet another video. Long time no see. I'm finally back. This has been a hectic couple of weeks ever since my last upload. We've moved. I got another car added to the fleet, as you can see by the title. Just been very crazy, and I'll get into all of that later on. But before anything else, I want to thank you guys. Every single one of you who subscribed, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. We had 1,000 subscribers over the course of me not uploading, and actually we hit 1,100 subscribers. Mind-boggling, absolutely insane, and I am so thankful. When I started making videos, I didn't even think I'd get 50 subscribers, let alone 100, 500, and now 1,000, and now 1,100. It's just insane, and it feels really good to know that you guys actually watch my videos, subscribe, like, comment, and all that stuff. It really does motivate me to keep making videos, and it means a lot. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot. So what are we doing today? I'm actually not in my new Miata. This is an older Miata. I haven't posted really anything about it. If you have me added on any social medias, you probably have seen this car. It's actually a 23,000 original mile Miata that I'm going to be putting on Cars and Bids. So I brought it out here to the park to get a few more pictures of it for the listing on there. They typically like you to have a few videos, like walk-arounds, videos of the car driving, any and everything. I mean, if you're kind of buying a car sight unseen, it's all stuff you'd want anyways. So that's what I'm here doing right now. And then after I'm done with this, we'll head over to my dad's, go check out the new Miata, which oh my God, I'm so excited for that thing. And basically show you guys what's up with it. So here's that Miata with 23,000 original miles that's going on Cars and Bids. 110%, I can confidently say this is the cleanest Miata I've ever had, and as it should be with having no miles. I actually bought this car to keep until I bought the one that I just bought last week. OEM hardtop. The only downfall of this entire car is it is an automatic. You can manual swap these things for like 1,500 bucks, and I actually already have the most expensive parts of the swap. So that was my initial game plan. I was gonna get this, swap it, and keep it as a cool little cars and coffee cruiser, weekend cruiser, and not really pile too many miles on it, but enjoy it. So as I previously stated, Cars and Bids likes you to have a few videos uploaded on there. I actually had to do a similar thing with my Monster Miata. If you go to what initially started my YouTube channel, those were the first videos I posted. Walk-arounds, a little driving clip, stuff like that. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Alrighty, just finished up those walk-around videos and the startup video. Gonna get a quick clip of the thing driving around the city and maybe on the highway a little bit. And then I'm basically good to go. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with Cars and Bids or have ever sold anything on there. Once I submit all the photos and the videos and everything, it typically takes a few weeks to get posted on there. They don't want too many of the same car on the site at the same time. Obviously, Miatas are extremely common, so I might have to wait just a tad longer. It's not really that big of a deal. But hopefully this thing goes to a good home, and I'll head over to my dad's and get you guys some updates on this new ride, man. It's something. So let me update you guys a little bit on what's been going on the past couple of weeks, why I haven't uploaded, and where I've been. Because usually I'm pretty active, and I try to be. So, as I touched on earlier, about last week or the week before, me and Rachel got our place. It's been a long process of moving, getting everything swapped over. You know how that goes, getting utilities set up. Just the whole moving process has been kind of time consuming. So that's been where a lot of my energy has been going. On top of that, I have been having some title troubles with my Audi. I also have an Audi S4, as many of you know, that's why you subscribe. Having some title issues with that, so I'm trying to get all that sorted out before I go super in depth posting videos on that thing. I do have a ton of them lined up, and I am going to still upload them, but I like to have all the stuff on the back end sorted out ahead of time. What else has been going on? Well, I went and bought this thing. I anticipated keeping it for the long haul and making a cool little series out of that until I found the Turbo K-Series Miata, which we're going to look at now. So that definitely put a stir in the plans, but I'm glad it worked out this way because that car is rowdy and gets down very good. And then on top of everything, just the normal business stuff. I mean, running a business obviously takes time, and I have to go to auctions, I got to meet customers, I got stuff that I have to worry about all regarding that. So yeah, that definitely takes up a lot of my time as well. Also, I never even really got any chance to say anything about it, my Mustang. So I had planned to post a video, I think it was 2 weeks ago, taking my Fox bike to the track finally. Well, I did take it to the track, and obviously that did not go to plan because you guys never seen that video. The car ended up popping a head gasket. That's finally done. On another thing, since I'm ADD, we're going over there too to adjust the timing on that car so I can finally drive it again. But yeah, it's just been like one thing after another, and I've been busy, and you know how life goes. For those of you guys who are new here to the channel, as you can see here, I am by no means a biased enthusiast. This is my Turbo Fox body. Here is a 6-liter Caprice that I'm actually getting ready to sell through Redline, obviously, but this thing's a monster. Super fun car. My S4, my Duramax, and here is the low-mile Miata. My fast Miata is sitting in the garage. I'm going to pull it out here momentarily and show you guys it. But if any of these cars seem like anything that might interest anyone, feel free to subscribe, like, comment. I love hearing from you guys. You can follow me on social media at Redline Dill, same as my YouTube. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. I just love hearing from you guys. I once again appreciate the constant support from all of you. It means a lot. And let me show you guys my new toy. So here she is. That is a fully built, sleeved, decked, whole 9 yards Honda K20 motor, forged internals, everything, and a humongous turbo to go along with it. Now, I'm obviously going to go more in depth in my next video with this thing, but it is essentially the K Miata swap kit, subframe, and all that stuff. Fully custom, fab, turbo kit. I mean, the whole 9 yards, it's all custom. They don't make a kit just for that. Big 4 or 5 inch intercooler, skunk intake, big boy injectors. I think they're 1800 cc. HKS blow-off valve, that's older. At least that's a built motor, so it's got the fluid damper. And that's about all the stuff I can think of off the top of my head. I'm obviously going to go more in depth in the future with this. Funny enough, that motor is mated to a Turbo 400 that's fully built as well. That little button's for the trans brake. And it has a Ford 8.8. I'm not sure if you guys can see it back in there, but yep, pretty beefy setup. This car makes some freaking power, I will tell you that. Now, mechanically, the car's solid, but where it's not solid is cosmetics. Obviously, the paint's not the best. Flaws here and there, like where the hood dump is. Just minor things. But ultimately, I wasn't buying this car for the cosmetics. I was buying it for the mechanics. And that it is in a good spot with. Ultimately, I'm probably going to wrap the car. I'm going to keep these little sticker bombed headlights because they look ricey and it's hilarious when people get gapped by this thing. And yeah, so stay tuned for my next video on this car. I'm obviously going to go more in depth with it, but kind of in a rush, so I will touch on it more. But this is definitely your little preview. Show you guys some more shots around it. Nothing really to it. And the funny part is a lot of people think it's still a Miata motor, so. The hardtop has definitely seen its better days. The glass breaking actually happened during my ownership of the car. I took it a couple of days ago to a roll racing event at our local track, and I'm not sure if the wind caught it the wrong way or what, but the hardtop flew off and landed in the grass and cracked the window. So that kind of sucks. But overall, the top's pretty good. A little bit of fiberglass work needing done here. Luckily, I know a guy. And obviously a back window, but the car does still have a soft top, which is nice. Other plans, I'm obviously going to probably get a little roll bar back here, a harness bar, racing seats, and then touch up a few things to make it my own. Obviously, I'll be touching on all that at a future video, so stay tuned for that. I'm actually probably going to post my actual introduction video of the car, I don't know, in a couple of days or so, and reveal it, go over all the mods, get some pools for you guys and all that good stuff, because this thing is rowdy. Also, this thing's back. We just adjusted the timing on it, got it started. I'm going to put some miles on it today. Obviously, the car's dirty. It's been sitting a little bit, but it does run. It runs real good. Sounds good. So I'll put some miles on it. I also have new Willwood brakes on it and a Ford 9-inch that we put in it while it was down. So this should be pretty fun. Like I said, I'm going to put some more braking miles on it tonight, make sure it's all good. And then hopefully throw some more boost to this thing and get it to the track and finally make my first full pass in it. Before I end the video, if there's anything you guys want to see done with this car, let me know, or any of the other cars. I'm obviously always up for video ideas. I'm sure with this car, there's gonna be plenty of content, whether it be racing or whatever, so stay tuned. All right, guys, on that note, I'm ready to peace out. Thank you so much to each and every one of you guys who subscribe, watch my videos, like, comment, interact with me, anything. It means the world to me, and I just can't emphasize it enough. Thank you so much. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for 1,100 subscribers. It honestly means the world to me, and I just feel so blessed. On that note, guys, stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna get the 600 horsepower Miata out, do some pulls for you guys, as I said, go over the build, go more in depth. I got some videos I'm gonna do with the S4, and obviously we're back in the Fox. So I'm just gonna film with everything. Get some videos of the Fox body, the Duramax, start busting out content. If there's anything that you guys wanna see in specific, be sure to comment or let me know so I know. I'm up to any and all ideas. And on that note, guys, thank you, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.